This is the HAG Capisco chair. The box is a bit damaged. There's the seat back. This is 100% virgin Norwegian wool. Whatever that means. And then there's a piston inside the box. So this is the comparison, new chair versus old. On the left is the fake leather office chair I bought at an office supply store I won't name years ago. I've felt like it's been crooked, maybe even from the day I got it. I upgraded to this HÅG Capisco, which is a Norwegian company. The seat is fully adjustable. Looks cool. And surprisingly light for a sturdy office chair. The box it came in, much smaller than I was expecting. However, that makes sense when you realize the unusual design.